Dulles Airport. Going to our gate. Boarding na. Eto na naman. Syempre, airplane mode. Ano pa ba? Eh di feeling ko na naman nasa music video ako habang nakatingin sa window ng airplane. Tingin-tingin lang. Pamuni-muni na para bang pasan-pasan ko ang buong mundo. Eh, ganyan lang. Pero guys, sobrang masaya talaga ako every time nakakasakay ako ng airplane. Kaya sana i-bless pa ako ni God ng more flights around the world. Yun lang guys. Enjoy the rest of my vlog. Okay, nandito na kami. Palabas. We're looking for the shuttle. Ganun.
Dami pasinista.
First time in Atlanta.
Oh, first time.
Okay guys, next year ulit. Charot! To Atlanta, daddy.
Welcome natin, Atlanta.
Ay. Back to you. Ito pa yung gamit ko nung pumunta ako sa US. My carry-on. At ang aking little ballerina shoes. Meron siya pang oatmeal. Kanina wala ito eh. Linipat na yung mga biscuit dito. Wala na eh. Ang sarap ng cinnamon in fairness. Eh wala na din yung sa taas. Gagawin ko dito, lalagyan ko ng jelly. Sarap yan may jelly. Tapos kukuha ko ng isang toast. At para sa amin na 3 araw at 2 gabi lamang dito sa Georgia, ay sinulit na namin at hindi na kami nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. Sumakay na kami ng Uber. Ang mahal ng Uber pala guys. Dito sa papuntang downtown kung saan namin makikita yung 2 museum, ang Coca-Cola Museum at saka ang Georgia Aquarium. May iba pa kaming pupuntahan maliban sa 2 museum na yon. Excited lang talaga ako kasi para akong bumalik sa pagkabata. Maging yung mga kasama ko. Para kami nag-field trip ulit. Saya!
How are you? Hi.
The Georgia Aquarium. They said this is the 2nd largest aquarium in the US. Amazing.
Hi, fellas. How y'all doing?
Hi. Okay, we're gonna buy our tickets now. Katabi niya lang talaga yung Coca-Cola. Nice. Amazing.
Hi, I'm Menta. Welcome to the Georgia Aquarium.
Yay! Thank you, girl.
11:07. Ito. So,
Yes. Hello. Para siyang isang malaking mall. Sana may mas magandang quality. Ocean eyes. Guys, nandito kami sa 2nd largest aquarium dito sa USA. 2nd kasi, pero ito yung pinakauna daw na na-build. Pero meron na silang ginawang mas malaki pa dito kaya siya naging 2nd largest aquarium. Wow, Kuya Kim. Anyways, parang siyang iniisip ko pabata. Parang field trip ulit. Bongga. Pero medyo may kamahalan yung ticket. Actually, mahal talaga siya. Diyos ko, tatim palang gurami, Kenny. Uy ni, nano na naman nga chu Kenny? Siyempre, Halloween decoration. Ako abidyo, da ka na tao. Yan ni tatang ko. Ano nandito? Oh, Asian Mall. Oh, okay. Yung mall na may ganito, Ayala Mall yun eh. Sobrang ganda guys. Ayan. Mga busy sila. Ayan, mga busy sila. Mga happy feet.
Mas maliit yung pa.
So guys, ayan o. Maandar kami.
Yan ang pumasan niya.
Okay guys, excuse my face.
Nakakahilo ate.
Including three with the smallest being blue and 11 feet in width. Then we're also going to have blue, which is a male, which is about 15 feet in width. And then the largest is going to be Tallulah at about 7 feet in width. You're also going to have one reptile, sea turtle, and you're also going to have over 100 species of fish. But right now, they're only at the half-pick or 50-yard line roughly. But there's also some amazing
Under the sea. Mo. Ito sa Coca-Cola Museum naman kami. Wow, oh. Bottle Cup Cafe. Ito, na makita nyo naman ako. Ito yung pinaka-famous na malaking Coca-Cola cup. Ano meron dito?
Thank you so much. Let's give your mom a koozie.
Siyempre, hindi kumpleto ang aming trip dito sa Coca-Cola Museum kung wala kami picture sa malaking cup na to. And habang nandyan kami, pinatikim sa amin yung sinaunang Diet Coke ng Coca-Cola, which they call Taps. Entrance. So, dyan kami galing kanina. Georgia Aquarium, the second largest aquarium in the United States.
Started. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
How many of you been here before? Okay. How many have never been here before? Are you guys from Atlanta? Where are you guys from? Texas.
Baka sino, baka yung buwan.
Yeah, because it's really hard to go beyond what you're on.
Yeah, but she was
Alright, our doors should be opening right about, some changes.
Ooh, the oldest recipe of Coca-Cola. This is the unreleased formula. It tastes like berry. Start with number 1. Tapos na kami sa Coca-Cola Museum. May nabili ako mga something. Ayan. Ngayon magre-restroom naman kami. Taray, naka-separate yung restroom. Okay. Yun lang. Bye. The Centennial Olympic Park.
There's a mellow mushroom, really good.
They're what?
Mellow mushroom, the pizza place. Is a pizza place near you? Where are you gonna walk to?
The Louisiana King.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, seafood.
Yeah. Figured we'll have some jambalaya. Let's see.
Yeah, that place is very good, very well known.
And the
Huh?
not Lake Placid movie.
I don't know a whole lot of movies, unfortunately.
So
So
Lake Placid was about the big gator that swallowed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Lake Placid.
the
So
lore.
when you say haunted,
Ghost Town.
Well, I'll tell you. Yeah, the place was a big town.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a big historical town, but they had to build a dam called the Buford Dam to, divert water and try to build a not civilization, but a town around it. Yeah. So what they did was they kicked everybody out of this town and they just took their houses and they flooded the whole town with water. So at the bottom of Lake Lanier, there's a lot of houses and stuff. And what makes it so creepy, I'm not gonna say, oh, racism, blah blah blah, but this was back in the day when it was segregated.
Room tour. Andito kami ngayon sa Holiday Inn Hotel. Siyempre, pinto. Pagpasok mo sa pinto, may mini pantry dito. May Keurig, tapos may mga ano na dyan, mga pag-giveaway. Pag-giveaway? May microwave if you want a microwave. Ayan mga take home nila daddy. Tapos may fridge. Tapos paglingon mo dito, there's mirror. Ayan kay, ano yata yan? Kay Tito Weng. And paglingon mo naman dito, toilet, restroom. And there's my beautiful face. So, ito yung kanilang, shower area. Yep. Very neat and clean. Tapos, pag mag-walk ka naman dito, isa pa. Yan. May cabinet. Ito, sinabit ko yung jacket ko dyan. Pero pang ano yan, yung mga pwede kang mag-plancha. Tapos paglingon mo naman dito, yan, 2 beds. Tapos may isang painting. Tapos nandyan yung adjuster ng ng temperature dito sa room. Yan, meron ding ano tawag dyan, fire detector ata. Very nice naman. May charging port. May orasan na hindi tama. At may ilaw na hindi gumagana. Hindi nga ho. Ayan, hindi talaga. Or baka night light. Pag patay na lahat ng ilaw, saka maglilit. I don't know. Tapos, yan. Paglingon mo ulit dito, ito yung mismong cabinet na. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi nandiyan yung gamit ni Tita Weng. TV. Tapos mga luggages namin are carry-ons. Yan. Kasi ilang araw lang naman kami, so wala kami mga check-ins. Puro carry-ons lang. Tapos yan, mga anik-anik, trash. Tapos, study table, vanity. And there's AC right there. Tapos, actually, ganito sana yung bed ko sa, sa room namin. Gusto ko sana magkaroon ng ganyang lamp. Ganyang, hindi naman exactly kailangan nasa wall. Yung bang ganyan, ganyan yung binibigay niyang light, ganon. Tapos parang nakayuko, ganon. Tapos gusto ko din ng ganyang chair para reading corner ba, ganon. So, there's nothing much to tour on this room. Tapos, ayan lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong nasa labas niyan. Ayan. So, tomorrow, you'll see more. Babush! Morning! Ito guys, we're getting ready for second day. Ito na yung surprise. Kainan na. Yes.
Siguro sabay kaya tayo ate na.
Hi! Sige, anong sasabayan natin?
Sabay kaya tayo sa'yo pag alis.
Tomorrow.
Oo, then
Ito ulit yung mga breakfast nila. Yogurt ulit, tsaka milk. Siguro kuha ako ng milk. Water, orange juice. Kuha din siguro ako ng orange juice. Let's see. Ayan. Gusto ko ng oatmeal muna. Tingnan natin kapag meron pa. Ayun, sakto. Kasi kahapon, ubos yan siya. Ayan. Ubos siya kahapon eh. Mamaya na ako kuha. Yung mga itlog. Ay, wala yung itlog kahapon. Gusto ko yun. Ay, meron silang sausage ngayon. Turkey sausage, tsaka pork sausage. Biscuit. Ayun, ang daming sausage gravy. Gusto ko yan. Ito mga cinnamon. Ito yung kahapon. Oh, sarap. Titingnan natin kung paano ito nag-work, guys. Tingnan natin. So, place a plate to your right machine, then press OK. Fresh pancake in a minute. Sige, babalikan natin to. Pero gagawa muna ako ng kape. Okay, coffee. Ito, we're gonna go for yan. So, pag napuno na yan, puno na din yung cup ko. Kuha na tayo ng plate natin. Saan na tayo kukuha ng pancake. Saan tayo abang? Dito daw abang. Tapos, ipapress lang natin yung okay. Ayan. Making 1 of 2. Ay. Naka-close. Ayun. Gusto siya naka-close. Ayan, close na siya. Okay. Wow. High-tech. Tapos ito yung mga syrup sa side. Ayan, ginagawa na yung isa. Ang satisfying niya na panoorin. Okay, antayin na lang natin siya dito bumaba. Dito lang tapos. Ito Nina. Nababa ba siya dyan? May dito yata siya bababa. Tama ba? Sorry. Hi, good morning. Silang carnival dito. Mga gamit.
Oo. Yan ang ano.
Kita ko.
Kita ka.
Rolling. Okay, rolling na yan.
Silip-silip lang ako. Pero kapag ayan na mismo, yuyuko na ako.
bago pa makarating sa
Sabihin mo kung
bahay.
kailan ako yuyuko.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween! Pinaikot nga tayo.
Yeah. Which is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Nabigyan tayo ng chance eh na mag-switch.
Pagka-ride ko, o ano ka na?
Yuko na. Asan yung bahay? Nasa kanan, sa kaliwa?
Kanan.
Kanan?
Nasa kanan.
Ito.
Sandali.
Yeah, tama.
Ate, naiipit ako.
Ay, puso!
Okay, tama na, tama na.
Teka muna. Ay, ang bag ko. Sandali.
Asan po ba? Ay,
Ikaw,
pwede na
naka-video
ako.
ka? Basta nakikita mo naman, di ba?
Okay na pala tong phone mo, Dad. Pwede ako mag-video. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Anong pin?
Akin na yung phone ko.
Pin.
Gagamitin mo tong...
Oo, naka-video na yan eh.
Oh.
Pang follow lang. Ayos to. Wait. Nagsasara ko. Baka masipat ka eh.
Hindi kaya kilala ka ni Carlo? Oh shit.
Diyan. Glasses.
Yun.
Yari ka.
Yes! Sabi ko, asan na yung sun?
Andiyan na.
Dito na, napapakibuhat lang. Ano ba? Dinala ko lahat ng ano, ng... Ano dyan?
Hello po.
Dito. Dito, dito. Okay.
Mali yung mga sapit ko! Alam ko, sabi ko nakatulog. Mag-message sa akin.
Meron talaga may videohan. So, nasa ilalim nito yung ano.
Yung town.
Yung part na to, malayo. Malaki kasi siya.
Sa north. Wala na yun, matagal na yun. Nakain na ng mga isay.
Pero hindi to myth ha. Nangyari talaga.
No, yes.
Hindi totoo yan, bro.
Ano yun,
Historical
nasa-
talaga.
Nasa ano siya, documented.
Oh.
Pero ang gumawa ng dam na to, US Army.
Opo.
Oo, famous yan. Have you heard of the most haunted lake in Georgia?
Ito po, ibibigay nila yung story sa inyo, guys.
Pero 80s.
Ganda, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Lapit ka konti kay Kuya.
Mas maganda, guys, kung makikita nyo to sa personal.
Okay, one more. 1, 2.
Beautiful.
Ganda ni Ate May. Mabilis naman. Eh, kahit na nga 1 on 1 ka eh. Yung bilis ng pasyente na ano eh.
Correct.
Kunting amno lang, hindi ka pa nakakalahat ka.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi, meron pa rin.
Lalo
Sa,
kay,
sa amin wala.
tapos yung room pa ng pasyente malayo sa nurses station.
Sa amin kami.
Kasi ang laki ng limit nila sa virtual assistant. Sa mga nurse na
Tapos na. Confident naman siya. At least confident.
Tama nga, tama naman kung pero mali yung ano lang yung end lang ang medyo punjay din naman ganun din.
Ay, sorry.
Kulang ng 5.
Eh, math ba siya? Isang math?
Hindi.
Filipino. iPad na ba? iPad? Wala.
Ah?
Masira.
Oh.
4 o'clock yan.
Clock. Oh. Ba't ito ayaw bumigay? Hindi, may buhangin eh. So, ipipress mo to, di ba? Then,
Wrong mistake.
Uy,
Hindi, ito. Yan, ano? Ito.
okay.
Ay, ang ganda.
Wag na lang.
Madulas siya eh.
Wag na lang.
Pang Japan talaga ako, guys. Next year, baka namin. So, may maangas na pathway. Pa manor house na kami, guys.
Japanese pan daw.
Yeah. Yes. It's raining. Bago umuwi ng VA. I wonder what's the weather sa VA. Dito sa ALT, maulan. Pero good thing, pick up kami ng shuttle dito baba sa ALT airport. Hindi mo kami babasa. So, carry lang. Wag lang sanang maulan sa Virginia. Okay, guys. See you later. Go to our gate now and then
Buti binigyan tayo ng heads up ni Ate Weng na
mahaba.
ang pila. So, wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik.
Yeah.
Siguro, even if makita natin to, I think we should stick with it.
yeah, whatever works.
Or I stick with it, you go do your vlogging thing.
Yeah.
Balikan mo na lang ako or tawagan kita. Hey,
okay
tinawag na yun.
Yeah, actually okay lang, whatever works.
Okay. Basta yun ang tingin ko. Okay.
Yeah. For the vlog. Ano yan, naka-video yan.
So, hanapin natin. I'll stick with it. You go roam around.
Yeah, we'll
If
see.
there's any changes, pareho naman tayo nakakatanggap ng email if there are changes, right?
Yes.
So if I hear something, then I'll let you know. I'll call you. I'm not gonna text you, I'm gonna call you.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
better. priority seat.
Can we sit here?
Eto, si ma'am. Anong tawag dyan sa nagko-connect na ano na yan? Nilalakaran para makapasok sa airplane. Oo, kaya pala feeling ko minsan lumiliko kami ng angas. May pa ano-ano pa. My God, ang saya. Alam nyo guys, mas takot akong sumakay ng bangka, anything sea, kesa sa ano. Oh, saya. Baba. Oh. Amazing. Kesa ano, I rather ride a plane kesa anything na sea. Ewan ko ba? Siguro dahil closed door, wala akong nakikita. I mean okay lang din kahit nakikita ko nga yung ano eh. Nakikita ko yung mga ano clouds. Siguro ano, parang I just feel safer. Oh, safer. Ang saya dito guys. Ang saya na nakikita yung mga airplane na ano, na sabay-sabay. May traffic ba sa ano taas? Let me know in the comment section. Charot. Alam ko meron ata. Well, we're not flying with Delta, we're flying with Frontier. Wala lang, gusto ko lang videohan. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Lunch, McDonald's, pauwi ng VA. Ako muna taya today sa meal namin ni Daddy. Okay. Inaantay ko lang yung drinks ko ngayon. And lalabs na tayo ng lunch.
Bumps right before landing. But hopefully get you to the gate relatively on time. I know that we're pushing late here. But hopefully we can make up a little bit of time in the air. Unfortunately, it's such a short flight that there's just not so much that we can do in the air. We have 5 phenomenal flight attendants back there. They're going to give you a very important safety briefing and demonstration of our emergency equipment on board. I do ask that everybody pay attention to that, especially those of you in the emergency exit rows. Again, welcome aboard. Thanks for your patience.
laptop computers and other large electronic devices must remain stowed. Once we do arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening those overhead bins. Prevent injury as some of those items might have shifted during our landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet the flight upon its arrival at the gate. and they'll be happy to assist you. For those customers who need special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft. This will allow us to better assist you. On behalf of your entire crew and everyone at Team Frontier, we want to thank you so much for traveling with us today. We hope you'll find your next lowest fares either on our Frontier app or at flyfrontier.com. Thank you so much for being patient and for
Yeah, Northwest. Yeah, over there is 6 Yeah, 6
Yes, you.
Yeah, you come over here and visit us. We got our church events, a lot of activities going out and everything like that. So, yeah. Yes, I do.
Guys, uwian na. Pumpkin spice latte. Thank you!